Welcome back. Unfortunately, I was not creating videos since few days, but today I'm creating is because I feel to create. In this video, I'll be talking about importance of nature, and that is the reason I'm sitting in the nature on bicycle of one of my very cute little friend. He's just 12 or 13-year old. You can see the bicycle size is quite small. The importance of nature, the peace, the beautifulness, the natural vibe, the internal integrity, the mental quietness, and the fresh air which nature gives is something you cannot find anywhere. It is one of the most beautiful blessing of God because I have never ever felt that any place which is better than a quiet, clear, green nature. Although I have visited a lot of places which seems very good, but nature is something which gives me real peace and real quietness. Nature is something where I truly feel that I am capable to think far more better than I do that thinking, that mindfulness practice in realm of artificial substances like room, office, or anything like that. If you are sitting quiet in the nature, there will be literally zero distractions. You are free to think anything. You are free to imagine any success, anything. And that is the only reason I love nature. Because love because nature gives that freedom to think in peace. And it is literally real peace. I can clearly say that if you are nature friendly and you are nature, what I can say, if you love nature, you are beautiful as the nature is. And yep, this is his cycle. Enjoy it. And I just have created this video because I felt very good about nature. And you can see here there are few cows, buffalo are just churning grass. Beautiful. I'm sitting on the cycle of my little friend and enjoying the nature. Although I have vehicle like Thar Rocks, this cute bike, sometimes I call it donkey because it have helped me a lot and it always have struggled with me. In the struggle time, it was the carrier which used to make us make me and my brother travel. It was a very beautiful friend of mine. But nature is something which is the one and only power giving substance for my entire life. In today's society, people do not love nature because they do not truly know what is called nature. They never have experienced the beauty of it. They are always busy in their mobile phone and artificial substances, junk food, bullshit conversations that they forget what is truly matters. If you are watching my video patiently, first of all, I wish you get a very beautiful life. And second thing, please go sit in the nature. You will feel a lot more things about you will understand a lot more concept about nature and about you will get a lot more clarity about the work you are doing currently. I do not know what you are doing, but you will get a lot more clarity. And yeah, this is it about nature. And now I'm going, and I hope you will be enjoying the nature piece as well. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next video with the next thought. Bye, love you.